Windows are one of the most vital components of your home. They offer natural light, airflow, insulation, and protection from the elements. However, over time, they can deteriorate and start to impact your comfort, energy bills, and even your safety. If you're living in Colombia and wondering whether your windows are due for an upgrade, here are some clear signs that it might be time to invest in window replacement. Skyrocketing energy bills. If your heating or cooling costs have been steadily increasing, old or inefficient windows could be to blame. Older windows often lack proper insulation or may have gaps that let outside air in and indoor air escape. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain your desired indoor temperature, significantly raising your utility bills. Newer energy-efficient windows feature technologies like low emissivity, low E, glass, argon gas fills, and improved sealing that help maintain indoor temperatures. If your home feels drafty or your bills are unusually high, a window replacement can make a big difference. Noticeable drafts or temperature imbalance. If you can feel a breeze near your windows when they're closed, that's a sure sign of air leakage. Drafts not only make your home uncomfortable but also reduce its energy efficiency. In Colombia's humid summers and chilly winters, maintaining a consistent indoor climate is crucial. Drafts usually occur due to deteriorating seals, warped frames, or poor installation. Replacing your windows can eliminate these leaks and create a more comfortable living environment year-round. Visible damage or decay. Check your window frames and sashes for signs of rot, mold, or warping. Wooden frames are especially susceptible to moisture damage, which is common in Colombia's humid climate. Cracked glass, broken locks, and water stains around the frame also indicate underlying issues that shouldn't be ignored. Even small cracks can compromise the window's structural integrity, and mold growth can affect your indoor air quality. If the damage is widespread or recurring, replacement is a safer and more cost-effective option than repair. Condensation between glass panes. Do your windows frequently fog up, especially between the panes? This often means the seal of a double or triple pane window has failed, allowing moisture to enter. Once the insulating gas escapes, the window loses its energy efficiency, and your view becomes obscured by cloudy glass. While this doesn't pose an immediate safety risk, it's a sign your windows are no longer functioning as intended. Replacing them will restore clarity and insulation performance. Difficulty operating windows that are hard to open, close, or lock are more than just an inconvenience. They can also be a safety hazard. If you struggle to open a window in an emergency, it could prevent a quick escape. Faulty windows may also be easier for intruders to force open. This issue is common in older homes where windows have swollen due to moisture, or the frames have become misaligned over time. Smooth operation is a hallmark of a quality window, so if yours are sticking or jamming, it's time for an upgrade. Outdated appearance. If your home still features the original windows from decades ago, chances are they're not doing your curb appeal any favors. Faded frames, outdated styles, and worn finishes can make your home look older than it is. Replacing your windows with modern, stylish alternatives can instantly boost your property's value and aesthetic. Whether you prefer classic wood frames or sleek vinyl options, new windows can complement your home's architecture while providing superior performance. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows might seem like a big investment, but the benefits, lower energy costs, improved comfort, enhanced curb appeal, and increased home value, make it well worth the effort. If you're experiencing any of the signs listed above in your Columbia home, now is the perfect time to consult with a local window expert and explore your replacement options. Don't wait until a small issue turns into a major problem. Your home deserves the upgrade.